Here's how you can run Steam games as an administrator. First, open Steam and navigate to your games library. Next, locate the game you want to run as an admin. For example, we can try this PUBG, and then right-click on the game's title. Once you've done that, a drop-down arrow menu will appear. Select properties from that list. Afterward, in the properties window, go to the installed files tab on the left-hand side. At the top, you'll notice a size of installation section. So to proceed, click the browse button next to it. This action will open the games folder in File Explorer. Now within the folder, find the game's executive file, the file with .exe. Once you've located it, right-click on the exe file and select Properties from the drop-down menu. At this point, a new window will pop up. Here, switch to the Compatibility tab. Then under this tab, you'll see the option to run this program as an administrator. Simply check the box next to it. Finally, click Apply, followed by an OK. As a last step, restart Steam. And when you launch the game, it should always run with administrator privileges.